Welcome! In this guide I will show you how to change the lighting quality in Elden Ring Nightreign. So start by moving to the system, then choose the last option here where you can see the screen icon on it. Then select Advanced Settings, and here under the shadow quality we have a lighting quality. I love to see maximum amount, but you can choose whatever you want. You can switch it to the low, medium, high or maximum. The lighting quality effects are pretty cool in the games, so I prefer to use it on the max available option. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!